Easy garlic bread. You need some good quality crusty bread, salt, 1 clove of garlic, fresh ground black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil in a squeeze bottle. Slice about a 1-inch thick slice of the bread and toast it in a toaster on medium. As soon as it comes out of the toaster, while it's still hot, rub the garlic clove all over the surface. The heat will release the garlic flavor. Sprinkle with some salt, some fresh ground black pepper, and drizzle with some good extra virgin olive oil. And there it is, quick and easy garlic bread. Make sure you brush your teeth after you eat it. Like and subscribe, because there is more coming.